myself Shikha from Surat, Gujarat. Today I'm gonna share a very delicious paneer recipe with you all. I hope you all will enjoy it. So today we are making Tandoori Paneer salad. So guys, there are three elements in our dish. The first one is flavored paneer, the second one is the salad dressing, and the third one is the grilled veggies. So guys, for today I'm not gonna marinate my paneer with the tandoori marination, but I'm gonna make the tandoori flavored paneer. So let's get started with the tandoori flavored paneer. So the ingredients are 500 ml full fat milk, 2 teaspoons of tandoori masala, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, and some chopped coriander. So first of all, we'll boil 500 ml of milk. I have taken here full fat milk. So guys, you can see our milk is boiled enough. Now I'll add in some chopped coriander. And give it a nice mix. Now we'll take some milk and add in our tandoori masala. And we'll mix it nicely. Now we'll add in our tandoori masala paste in the milk. And we'll stir it nicely. Once the masala is mixed enough, we'll add in vinegar, you can see our milk has started curdling. Now we'll strain our paneer mixture. We'll pass some cold water to wash the paneer properly. So guys, by the time our paneer is getting ready, we'll start working on our salad dressing. So in a bowl, we have taken the mayonnaise, salt and pepper, and now I'll add in some lemon juice, some olive oil, and give it a nice mix. So we'll add some cold water to give it a nice consistency. Make sure you don't add a lot of water. And again, we'll mix it. So guys, you can see our quick salad dressing is ready. So now we'll keep this aside and we'll start working on our veggie. So I have taken here some sliced tomatoes, some sliced red bell pepper, some sliced yellow bell pepper, some onion, salt and olive oil. So first of all, we'll brush our grill pan with some olive oil. And we'll add in yellow bell peppers, I'm gonna saute it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, make sure you do not overcook your bell peppers as we are going to use it in our salad. We'll sprinkle some salt and give it a nice mix. You have to cook this until the griddle marks appears on the bell pepper. can see some light grilled marks on our veggies. So now it's time to take it off flame. For a red bell pepper, we'll sprinkle some salt. So our red bell peppers are ready, and it's time to take it off flame. It's time to saute our onions. Little bit of oil. Here it goes. So our onions are ready. So it's time to grill our tomatoes. Again, a little bit of oil. We'll brush it nicely. And we'll arrange our tomato slices. We'll give it some salt. So our tomatoes are grilled enough. So guys, now let's take a quick look at our paneer. It's nicely done and soft enough. So guys, our salad dressing is cold enough and all the elements are ready. So now it's time to assemble our salad. So here I have some grilled tomatoes, some carrots, some grilled yellow bell pepper, some corn kernels, grilled red bell pepper, grilled onion, our freshly made tandoori paneer, some lettuce leaves, chopped green chillies, salt, and some croutons. So in our salad dressing, we'll add our freshly and roughly chopped lettuce, our grilled red bell pepper, grilled yellow bell pepper, grilled onion, carrot, some boiled corn, our grilled tomatoes, some chopped green chilies, and we'll add in our crumbled paneer. Now let's give it a nice mix. So guys, now it's time to plate our salad. We'll put some croutons to give a nice crunch to our salad. And we'll garnish it with some crumbled tandoori paneer to give more flavor of tandoor. So guys, our tandoori paneer salad is ready.